Hello, this is Trent and welcome back to another episode of Cam Gorilla. So I just dropped my dad off here at the hospital for a bit of an appointment, and I figured, while I'm waiting, I might as well try to do a little bit of a photo challenge on a place really that doesn't seem to have a lot of photogenic properties. So might turn out to be crap, but might find something nice. It's just kind of a challenge to see what a person can do with not a whole lot around. Let's give it a shot, shall we? A bunch of dying flowers in a planter. Maybe that'll give me something. Okay, well, those were the flower photos. We'll see how those turned out. Well, the hospital has some nice architectural angles, so maybe I can make use of that. All right, let's take a walk around and see what else we can see here. Kind of run out of options at the last part. Well, this is looking kind of promising. It's like a bit of a gully here with a pathway through it. Never been there before. We'll see what it's like. Oh, it's actually not a pathway. It's just the road. Not as scenic as I thought it would be. That's hilarious. Ooh, that looks nice. Might be worth a shot or two. That was a treat. Well, that kind of does it for now. Next stop, the mall. Not that inspiring, but hey, check this out. Right here, there's a creek, and it's lined with these willow trees. And they're not in full color yet. They still might be worth taking some shots of. But once these things reach full color, it is amazing. I wonder if that's one of those aggressive deer they were talking about earlier. There was a sign. Keep your eyes open because you'll never know what you'll see. Well, that's a wrap on that edit. I did discover an amazing crop of sensor dust as I was going through that, so sorry if you noticed that. And so stay tuned to my channel. It's all about vlogs, my adventures, and some tutorials. So if you feel like it, hit subscribe, and when you do, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notifications of new videos. Don't worry, I won't inundate you. And till next time, remember to keep creating, because someone's gonna love it. See you later.